to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro.
It's Bigg Vic TV.
Hey, welcome to my world.
What is up, guys? It's your man Bigg Vic back in here with another video. And today, guess what? I have Reason Racks plugin for Reason 11 running on FL Studio 20. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it kind of has me excited simply because I'm able to use a lot of my favorite effects that I'm pretty much already familiar with in Reason. So I'm like, okay, I can use all my instruments that I love. I can use all of my effects units that I'm so used to pulling up in Reason and rocking out with. So I'm just running through them, kind of testing them out, just playing with a few things here and there, just seeing what I like. And I'm not going to even front, y'all. I'm digging Reason 11, especially the Reason Rack plugin. Like, I'm feeling it as a plugin. So I'm definitely going to be using Reason 11, if for nothing else, using it as a rack plugin over here in FL Studio 20. Not to say that I won't use Reason 11 completely as the DAW, but if I want to cook something up over here, I know I can bring Reason on in and get busy with it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got pulled up over here in FL Studio 20 using Reason as a rack plugin. See what y'all think. Let's get it. All right, so if you can see here, I got Reason pulled up. I use Europa. I just added Europa in here just to kind of see, just kind of test things out, see what I like. But of course, you can see you got all your instruments in here, your effects. Let's go instruments. You can scroll through your, the instruments that come with Reason, your effects, all your effects units. It's beautiful. This is a beautiful thing. I can't lie, y'all. This is a beautiful thing right here. Of course, utilities, and you still, you get to bring your players with you too. So if you're used to using dual arpeggiator, note echo, scales and chords, drum sequencer, I got chord line in there. I haven't even used that at all. And my strummer, really won't need that if I'm using FL Studio 20. But of course, you can bring all your stuff in here with you and get busy with it. So what I did do was, I think for my hi-hat, over here on my hi-hat, as you can see, I used my rack unit. I pulled up my RV7 digital reverb that I'm accustomed to using in Reason, and my RX 950 classic 88 converter, my filter that I use in Reason. So I was happy to see that in there. Like, I'm like, okay, now I see what's going on with the Reason Rack plugin. So I'm able to bring this stuff over here and still get busy with it. So y'all know I'm loving that. Like, I'm like Mickey D's. I'm loving it. So let's get busy. I'm gonna play this track real quick. I'll use Europa in this and just use some effects that I'm used to using in Reason in this track for like my hi-hat and one of my clap. So I'm gonna just play this joint and let y'all hear what it sounds like. I mean, so far I haven't had any issues with it, even though it's the beta. Haven't had no issues with it at all. Like, it's kind of running pretty smooth. So let's rock out with this track. Let's go. But in a nutshell, this is Reason Rack. Guys, we can, I don't know, for us true diehard Reason heads, that have been using other DAWs and used other DAWs for reasons that we felt Reason lacked, or certain instruments or things that we wanted to use in Reason that Reason didn't have for us. This is gonna, for me, it's gonna merge the best of both worlds for me. So if I don't upgrade for the simple fact that I'm able to use Reason as a rack plugin, I think that would be a big enough reason for me to upgrade to Reason 11. So just this one little thing has definitely like solidified me upgrading. So I'm excited about that. As you can see, all of our stuff is in here. You still can flip your rack over, you can hide your cables if you want to. I don't see any reason for doing that, but of course you can flip your rack over and still do all your routing that you've been doing, that things that we've been doing the Reason we still can do. So yeah, I mean, I can use my drum sequencer if I wanted to. It would be nice if I could use my Reason sequencer over in FL Studio 20. That would be lovely, but I guess there's really no real reason for me to use that now. Now that I'm learning the workflow of putting my sequences together over, well, now that I learned song mode in Reason, there's really no need for me to really be sweating the Reason sequencer when I can sequence everything over here in FL Studio 20 and still bang out all my favorite Reason instruments over here that I love using. So I'm gonna have the best of both worlds, y'all. That's pretty much gonna sum up me upgrading to Reason 11. So I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It just felt funny pulling it up in FL Studio 20, but now that I'm able to do it with the Reason rack plugin, I'm all in, y'all. I'm all in. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section, man. Thumbs up this video if you digged it. Reason Studios, thank you guys for sending me the beta version. I'm still gonna cook up a beat in Reason 11, just using the Reason 11, but I wanted to show you guys what the Reason rack plugin looked like inside of another DAW. So it's your man Bigg Vic. I'm gonna sign out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Always hustle, never stop growing. See y'all in a few. All right, peace.